Dear students, in this section now we will be starting with our second unit, which is Introduction to Data Science. Okay, that is mainly dependent on this Introduction to Data Science. So in that we are going to see what is data science, the terminologies that are related with data science, the methods of data repository, personnel involved in the data science, types of data, data science process, popular data science toolkits, and the familiarity with the example applications. So now we will start with what is data science. So data science is also known as data driven science, which is an interdisciplinary field, or we can also call it as multidisciplinary field, which uses the scientific methods, processes, and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data in various forms. So which type of forms we are trying to convert the data in, either structured or unstructured, and from that we are trying to find out or extract the data. Somehow it is the process like data mining. Okay, so the data mining is what they are also responsible for finding the meaningful data, and in data science also we are using the scientific methods so that we are able to extract the knowledge from structured as well as unstructured data. So the concept to unify statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data is nothing but data science. It is a concept where we are trying to do the statistics, we are trying to apply the data analytic techniques, the machine learning algorithms, and the related methods so that we will be able to understand as well as analyze what exactly actual things are going on with a particular data. So we can see that there are various areas of data science where math and statistics, domain business knowledge, computer science, IT, everywhere it is working. So it employs techniques and theories which are drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, as well as information science, and domain and business knowledge. So now, as if it is an interdisciplinary field, we should know the convergence of various knowledge domains. So the various knowledge domains contains maths and theory, applied algorithms, engineering and technologies, domain expertise, art, best practices, and hacks. So when we are talking about math and theory, it contains the statistics, linear algebra, optimization, time series, etc. When we are talking about applied algorithms, it is machine learning, data structure, parallel algorithms, all that are covered. When we are talking about engineering and technologies, at that time they are connected to storage and the computing platforms as well as the statistical tools. When we are talking about domain expertise, it is text, finance, images, videos, economics, and so on. In type of art, it is visualization, infographics, all that comes. And when we are talking about best practices and hacks, so best practices and hacks means they are handling the missing data. What? They are trying to handle the missing data as well as they are trying to transform and represent the data in the various format. So these are the various knowledge domains which are related to particular data science thing. Now, when we are talking about data science, so the data scientist people look in like T-shaped skill set is there, that is horizontal and vertical. That means there should be a broader range as well as deep expertise. When we are talking about broader range, consider it as a horizontal way. When we are considering the deep expertise, it is in the vertical way. So when we are talking in the T-shaped, at that time software engineering, business acumen, distributed computing, communication, everything is required. And when we are talking about expertise, so machine learning, statistics, domain knowledge, everything is required when we are talking about the data scientist. So this is all about data science, the convergence and various knowledge domains, and how people are looking in a data scientist and what skill sets they are looking. That all we have studied. Now in the next section we will see the terminologies that are related with data science. Thank you.